Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be playing with some of the makeup from the E.l.f. Cosmetics collab with Dunkin' Donuts. And if you know me, I love nothing more than coffee. I have to say they really nailed this packaging. As a graphic designer, I was literally dying over how the box component literally looks like a box of donuts when you open it. I shouldn't keep this box, but I'm going to because it's hilarious. And they even put like the little receipt as like the description tag. Amazing. They really killed it on the packaging. I ended up getting the 3 eyeshadow packs, the Dunkin' Dozen eyeshadow trios, and I've played with the bite-sized trios before, so I know the formulas are pretty good. I started out swatching out chocolate frosted with sprinkles. It's a really fun palette with a pop of blue, and it really does remind me of that donut. They really did nail that. And then the Boston cream donut is one of my favorites. I love creme or cream that you can put inside of a donut, and those browns are so beautifully pigmented. I love them. I can't wait to do something smoky with that. And of course, we can't not talk about that shimmer. The palette we're going to be playing with today is the Strawberry Frosted with Sprinkles. You can see the shimmers next to each other in this palette. They're definitely, one is a little bit more thicker on the chunky side and the other one is a little bit more thinly milled. Here you can also see some swatches of the Dunkin' Donuts lip glosses. One's pink and one's orange, obviously in their signature colors, and they really do taste nice and creamy like icing. And then the lip scrub, I love that they called it Original Blend. That's hilarious. And that the component looks like they're straws. I love lip scrubs and I love that it tastes like coffee. So I'm impressed. Their lip scrubs have always been some of my favorites, so I have no complaints there. We're going to be going in with the darker pink shade first. None of these have like names that I could find. But yeah, the darker pink, I put it in my crease. And then I took the paler pink and I put it on my lid to kind of block it out a little. These are really pigmented and pretty. I'm not going to be doing anything extreme here with my makeup. It's going to be pretty basic. And then the like more pinky orangey toned shade, it looks like super, it's very duochrome in my opinion. It's kind of yellow, kind of pink at the same time. And then of course we're going to be using that glitter shade, and we slather that baby on my eyelids, my inner corner, and on my brow bone, and I'm obsessed. This shade I can just slather all over my body and I would be so happy. Also, I couldn't do this look without my signature wing, and which I did it different this time. I'm sure we've all seen that video of Ariana Grande doing her eyeliner like this, so I figured I'd try it, and honestly, like I can see where she's coming from because it made it so like sharp and seamless and nothing like skipped at all. It was nice, and it also helped make your eyeliner more even. For my base, I went in with the Glow Radiant Moisturizer from e.l.f. and it's the one that's like illuminating and has SPF in it. I really like this product, and it also helps me remind myself to put SPF on my face and neck, and it also helps keep my skin nice and moisturized. I tried to do a full face of e.l.f. makeup for this video, and so I went in with the e.l.f. CAMO CC Cream Foundation, and it also has SPF in it, so that's nice. And I haven't played with this stuff in a while, so I kind of forgot how freaking full coverage this stuff is. I didn't even go in with concealer because I felt like it did enough for me. And this stuff definitely is like a little goes a long way, so you definitely don't need like a full pump of this. And of course I had to play with this Moira Beauty blush because I felt like it was the perfect shade of pink to match the Dunkin' Donuts pink. And of course I had to put this sparkly highlighter on my cheeks as my highlighter today. If you don't like glittery highlighter, you're not gonna like doing that, but I happen to love glittery highlighter, so it gave me a lot of joy. I'm also trying out the e.l.f. Cosmetics Love Triangle Lip Filler Liner, and here's two shades. There's soft pink and mauve, and I ended up using mauve today because it was a nice little more of a brown tone versus the very like peachy pink color of the soft pink. And then I went in with the pink lip gloss from the Dunkin collection, and it honestly is a lot more pigmented than I thought it would be, and it paired really nice with the lip liner. And honestly, like, look how juicy my lips look. So nice and glossy. It's obviously a lip gloss, so it's not gonna like last super long, but it does taste very good. It tastes like donuts and sugar, and I love that. I really love this collection, so I hope you liked the little look I did. I'm of course gonna keep playing with these palettes. I definitely want to do a really smoky liner look next with that brown palette and can we take a moment to appreciate this literal Dunkin' Donuts colored two-tone. It's a blazer dress from Misguided, and it literally looks like a Dunkin' Donuts straw. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment below and let me know if you got any of that collection, and have a nice day. Bye!